Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to back up your Windows 10 system. So let's get started the video. Click the Start menu and go to Settings. Now choose Update and Security. From the left sidebar, click on Files Backup. Under the Backup Using File History section, click Add a Drive. Choose an external hard drive or a network location to store your backup. Once selected, Windows will automatically back up your files regularly. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.